Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania, east central Somerset County in south central Pennsylvania, until 3 p.m. At 2:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Buffalo Mills, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bedford, Breezewood, New Enterprise, Everett, Buffalo Mills, St. Clairsville, Cessna, Hindman, Saxton, Sheldsburg, Man's Choice, and Woodbury. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 near mile marker 147. The Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 124 to 159. Interstate 99 for mile markers 0 to 8. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.